Hello AP students, this is Mrs. Politsky again, and I have got your Chapter 5 free response question. So as we go along, make sure you're writing things down. If you need to stop the video, feel free to do so. Take a look at your question here. It basically states, the experiences of sleeping, dreaming, and experiencing altered states of consciousness have fascinated people for many years. Explain what each is and how each of the following relates to the contemporary research and theory about sleeping, dreaming, and altered states of consciousness. Okay, all three of these items, or 5 of these items, pardon me, need to be defined. And so we would want to do that and then be able to relate it back to either sleeping or theories about sleeping, dreaming, or altered states. So we're going to start with sleep depth. And sleep depth, for the most part, is an individual who lacks the necessary hours of sleep. And how does this relate? Well, it relates to contemporary research on sleep because sleep debt impairs daily functioning and can slow down your reaction time. All right, letter B, talking about the activation synthesis theory. And the definition of this is a theory, kind of a more modern theory than maybe Freud's theory on sleep and dreams, that basically says that dreams are the brain's attempt to make sense of random electrical activity that's coming from our brainstem. And how might this relate? Well, to the contemporary research, the activation synthesis theory is one of several current dream theories. Studying and documenting this theory has become easier because of the fact that we have been spending a lot of time studying the brain. We've been using tools such as fMRIs, and this has made it a little more sophisticated. Letter C, insomnia. Insomnia is defined as a sleep disorder that involves an inability to fall asleep, stay asleep, or to avoid the frequent awakenings during your sleep. It's the most common sleep disorder. And how does this relate to contemporary research on sleep? Current research has developed drugs to help cure insomnia and has explained or examined the impact on sleeplessness on society. Letter D, physical addiction. Physical addiction is the body's inability to function without a specific drug. Physical addiction is the result of drug tolerance and is often accompanied by physical or psychological addiction. And what impact do we have on this as far as research is concerned? Current research has examined the physical mechanism underlying addiction, as well as examining the genetic components of addictive behavior. And finally, opiates. Opiates are any kind of drug that produces a sense of well-being and are strong pain relievers. Opiates, for the most part, are very highly addictive. And contemporary research on this has examined the beneficial ways to use these drugs as well as ways to lessen their addictive quality. All right, thank you very much.